Welcome to Designer Ling channel. I'm Lin, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. The pool is the centerpiece of the backyard, and it should be designed to fit the size and shape of the space. It can be rectangular, square, or even free-form. If you have a small backyard, you can consider a plunge pool or lap pool. For a larger backyard, you can opt for a larger pool with a diving board or water slide. The pool deck. The pool deck is the area around the pool, and it should be made of a material that is slip-resistant and durable. Concrete, pavers, and wood are all popular choices for pool decks. The garden can be located around the pool or in a separate area of the backyard. It should be designed to complement the style of the house and the pool. When choosing plants for your garden, consider the amount of sunlight the area receives, the climate, and your personal preferences. The furniture in the backyard should be comfortable and stylish. You may want to include lounge chairs, dining tables, and umbrellas. The lighting in the backyard should be both functional and decorative. You can use solar lights, string lights, or lanterns to create a beautiful and inviting atmosphere. Here are some additional tips for designing a backyard with a pool and garden. Consider the privacy of your backyard. If you have close neighbors, you may want to install a fence or privacy screen. Think about the safety of your children and pets. If you have young children or pets, you may want to install a pool fence or safety net. Choose plants that are low maintenance and drought tolerant. This will save you time and money on watering and maintenance. Add a water feature to your garden. A water feature, such as a fountain or bird bath, can add beauty and sound to your backyard. Create a focal point in your backyard. This could be a large tree, a statue, or a fire pit. With careful planning and design, you can create a backyard oasis that is perfect for swimming, relaxing, and entertaining. Reasons to design a backyard with a swimming pool and flower garden. 1. Increase living space. Swimming pool and flower garden expand outdoor living space, providing a place to relax and have fun for family and friends. 2. Enhance aesthetic value. The backyard with swimming pool and flower garden is an impressive highlight, increasing the beauty and class of the house. 3. Improve health. Swimming and taking care of the garden are physical activities that help improve health and spirit. 4. Improve living environment. Flower gardens provide oxygen, purify the air, bringing fresh and cool atmosphere. 5. Create a play environment for children. Swimming pools and flower gardens are safe and interesting places for children to play, helping them develop physically and intellectually. Start designing a backyard with a swimming pool and flower garden. 1. Determine needs and budget. Determine the purpose of use, backyard area, investment budget to choose the appropriate design. 2. Choose location. Choose a suitable location for the swimming pool and flower garden, ensuring light, privacy, and convenience for use. 3. Design selection. Consult an architect to choose a design that suits your home style, preferences, and backyard area. 4. Construction and finishing. Choose a reputable contractor to construct the swimming pool and flower garden to ensure quality and safety. 5. Care and maintenance. Maintain swimming pool hygiene and take care of trees to ensure beautiful landscape and safety for users. Turn your backyard into a relaxing and beautiful oasis with a swimming pool and flower garden. Watch this video to explore beautiful and inspiring a backyard with a swimming pool and flower garden designs. This video will introduce you to many creative ideas that will help you create your dream backyard. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.